Alright, today I have a Kia Sedona and I am going to show you how to operate the windshield wipers, the windshield wiper fluid, and the rear window wiper. But before we get started, could you give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So I'm sitting in the vehicle behind the steering wheel and I'm going to look through the steering wheel. And do you see this right here? This lever right here, this is the lever used to control the windshield wipers, okay? Now, I'm gonna go through it with you. All right, so say for instance you get a little bit of splatter on your windshield right here. All you're gonna do is do the mist thing right here, and it wipes it once and then it goes back down. Wipes the little splatter, the little mist off, and it goes back into the off position. Now I'm gonna take you to the intermittent mode. If I go down once, it's on intermittence right here, okay? And you can adjust the intermittence like with this right here. All right, pretty cool feature right there. All right, next I'll take it down to the low mode. Down to low right there, it is on low. And if you have a torrential rainfall, take it to the high by going all the way down, and it is in the high setting right there. You see that? Pretty cool. Now to turn it off, I'm just gonna bring it all the way up, release it, and it's off. All right, so that's how you turn on and off the windshield wipers. Now let's go on to the windshield washer. All right, now to wash the windshield, I'm gonna take this lever, I'm gonna pull it towards me. Look at that, it's washing the windshield just like that. Pretty cool. All right, now if you want to wash the rear window, all you have to do is push this, or actually not push it, push this, and it washes the rear window, okay? All right, pretty cool. All right, now to turn on the rear window wiper, you just simply go right here, and it goes into wipes it in low, put it right there, wipes it in high, and to turn it off, go back right there. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.